Hey guys, welcome back to the series on the 1995 E300 Super Turbo Diesel. And guys, this has been a 4-year project and I am finally done with the car. Now, it's dusty. It's been in my shop for a few months as I do the final touches, but I finally have everything sorted out. It has the N-Trax racing suspension, the giant racing brakes by Brembo, 400 horsepower under the hood, with a diesel pump UK injection pump and manifolds, and it has all the bells and whistles. I really went all out on this build. So today is the test drive, and I took it out last night. Car runs great, lots of power. So I'm going to take it out today and see if I can shoot some video for you guys. So let's go for the test drive. Guys, all the cars that you see in these videos are for sale on my website, www.woodsandbarclay.com. Enjoy the video. And before we go on the test drive, I'll just give you a brief little walk around for this vehicle. Absolutely beautiful. The real E500 fenders look fantastic. The AMG monoblock wheels, the big 6-piston AMG calipers and 14-inch rotors. Absolutely beautiful car. We got the ride height just right, the wheels tucked up in there just right. Looks fantastic. The AMG body kit bumper up here, yeah, that looks awesome. Now it's a little dusty right now, so I'm gonna wash it before we do the official walk around. Just wanted to show you guys what we are about to test drive. And we don't want to forget to mention the interior is just as nice as the exterior. Remarkable condition. And we'll do the walk around video later. Don't worry, you guys will see every detail. Let's get this thing out on the interstate. All right, I'm testing this out. I have a head-mounted camera. I'm not sure how this is going to work yet, but never used this before. All right, guys, this is my second attempt to do a video because I had to remount the camera in a better position. I think you can see the glow plugs now, and we have our shifter down here. Let's go ahead and fire it up. All right, let me put my seatbelt on. All right, I think this camera view is going to be as good as I can get. I had to actually go buy a special camera that mounts to my hat. Now, keep in mind, this car has custom-made suspension by N-Trax. You can watch the videos on the website showing the complete suspension build, and it is a very high-performance sports/racing suspension. So the car is very low to the ground, and the spring rate is several hundred pounds heavier duty than the factory. So it gives you an extremely tight, high performance suspension. So you will get a little more road noise than a factory normal everyday driver. Of course, this also has polyurethane bushings. But that's all required for a high horsepower stiffened chassis that can, you can go do autocross on the weekend or take it to your local track day event, or you can drive on the street. That's the way I set this up. And we can see our blinkers are working. Hopefully this camera is recording. And the shifter is a nice short throw shifter. See how quick that is? And we have 6 gears. Okay, we'll just start off in first gear here. It's a cold engine, so we're going to take it a little easy. This engine just wants to go immediately. Man, that turbo sounds awesome. And we have our GPS speedometer right here. This GPS senses our speed, and it sends it to an actual mechanical cable that's plugged into the back, of the gauge cluster that actually spins the mechanical gears, and it is working correctly. RPMs are great. See, our engine temperature is coming up. We're almost to 80, and we got great oil pressure. And we're pushing around 400 horsepower with this engine. I'll open it up a little bit when we get on to Georgia 400. I'm gonna downshift into second. Wow, that engine sounds amazing. And these are some curvier roads here. We'll go ahead and hit this roundabout with a little speed just so I can show you the handling and how flat the car handles with the high performance suspension. So we're going probably 40 through this roundabout here. Check this out. Whoa! And the tires are soft tread wear compound, 200 tread wear compound, and the width is 275. So some very beefy tires. And we're going pretty fast through here, guys. You can see how it just corners really flat. Outstanding traction. Yeah, wow, that's awesome. Okay, got a little traffic here. We'll go ahead and get over here. Wow. This engine really pulls strong. Third gear, that turbo really kicks in and this car just takes off. All right, we're gonna come to this red light up here and then hang a left and get out onto Georgia 400. And you can see our engine temp is perfect, right at 80 degrees. There's our hot oil pressure right at 2 bar. We have a perfect idle RPM. All right. Hopefully the camera's picking all that up. And we'll get out here, we'll get it up into 5th and 6th gear. If I don't hit every red light along the way. The clutch engagement is very smooth. I've got that adjusted perfect. And we'll see if we can do some faster acceleration here onto this on-ramp. Whoa. Wow. That's 60. That 0 to 60 is very fast. Yeah, this will absolutely be the fastest E300 you ever drive. The diesel pump UK injection pump with the 7.5 millimeter elements and the Borg Warner turbo just make this amazing. All right, we're in 5th gear right now. Actually, I'm gonna go down to 4th and merge out here a little. All right, we're in 5th gear and you can see we're about 3,000 RPMs at 60. Now, if I drop to 6th gear, there we go, 2,400 RPMs coming up on 70 miles an hour. Hopefully you guys can see that there clearly. There we go, about 75 and cruises about 2,500 RPM. I nailed that gear ratio perfect. We'll drop it a gear here. Got the pedal down. Wow, we're going 90 just like that. This car will absolutely haul ass. All right, we'll drop into 6 and just do a nice cruise. There you go. Hopefully you can see the gauges there. Yeah, so That's 6th gear. That's what you're going to drive like. Very nice. Go back to 5th gear. Yeah, 6th gear is good for like above 70 miles an hour. Now off this exit ramp up here, I want to try the braking. You know, we have the real big Brembo 6-piston racing brakes, 14-inch rotors, 6-piston calipers on the front. So we'll try some hard braking right up here. Little traffic out today. Okay, I want you guys to watch the braking here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Holy cow. Yeah, those brakes are incredibly high performance. All right, we'll spin around here on 400. Get back on Georgia 400 here. I'm gonna downshift. The shifting is fantastic. That shifter is outstanding, and the clutch is, the engagement is perfect. I played around with the positioning of the throwout bearing. It had a couple of different settings, and we changed the setting and got that, we nailed it just perfect. Your throwout bearing is what disengages your clutch when you press in your clutch pedal. Engine temperature is perfect. We are holding at 80 degrees the entire time. Yeah, there you go. That's 75 miles an hour in just a split second. And I didn't even have the accelerator pedal all the way down. This car just wants to go. There's 5th gear. There's 6th gear. There you go. 6th gear cruising. Perfect RPM. It's not a massive overdrive, but it's just comfortable, just enough. Got the alignment just right. Track's perfectly straight. Guys, I would say we passed this test drive with flying colors. This car is awesome. I've got everything dialed in and tweaked perfectly. We'll just do a little more driving video for you. Maybe we can get a real good 0 to 60 up here when we get off the interstate and onto some of these back roads. N-Trax really nailed the suspension too. It's very tight, extremely high performance, but it's not overly aggressive where it's no fun to drive on, drive as a daily driver. The transmission is a BMW 6-speed out of a diesel BMW. And the car actually comes with 2 transmissions because I imported the transmissions from Europe. And I said, well, if I'm going to get one, I might as well get 2 just in case I ever break one. So the car actually comes with a spare transmission. Yeah, you have to be careful. This, if you put that pedal down, this turbo will just spool up and this car will take off. It is definitely fast. There you can see all of our gauges are perfect. 80 degrees, 2-bar, hot engine idle oil pressure, perfect RPM. Couldn't ask for a better running engine. Shifter is great. There's our exhaust gas temperature and our boost gauges down here. All the electric mirrors work. You can watch all the videos where I rebuild the mirrors. All that's working perfect. Sunroof works great. I did not cut any corners. This was a very expensive car to build. First gear is really just for like getting around a parking lot. Second gear is, you know, I'm going up this hill really slowly in second gear. So yeah, first gear is just, you know, moving around your driveway or parking in a parking lot. Most of your work at slow speeds can be done in second gear on this transmission. Now, if you want to see the exact gearing setup for this vehicle, on the website, click the spreadsheet. And there are two tabs on the spreadsheet. First tab is the parts and build out and the cost. And the second tab shows the exact gearing with the rear end and the transmission gearing and the speeds at which RPM you're at. Calculated all that very precisely. All right, I'm gonna see if I can slow down here. I don't think I have a car behind me. There's that little scooter up there. I'm gonna let them get ahead. All right. There we go. Holy crap. God, that was 70 miles an hour, just like that. Incredibly fast. Wow. Guys, that is it for this video. This car is so much fun to drive. Probably have a mark on my head where that camera was, but I'm gonna go back, edit these videos. This is a really fun vehicle to drive. It's extremely fast. The handling is incredible. You know, 275 width tires, in-tracks suspension. They actually build suspension for rally cars in Europe. The suspension is no joke. Anyway, go on the website. There's 20 videos showing the entire build of this car from day one when I picked it up all the way through the entire process. Suspension building, engine building, the entire painting process. Car has a $20,000 paint job on it. And I pulled out all the stops. No expenses were spared on this build. And like I said, it took me 4 years to build this car. So I'm gonna head back to the shop. Next week, Scott will probably clean up the car, do a quick car wash, and then we will we'll shoot the final walk around video, and this car will be officially done. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. See you next time.